Has your Instagram account been hacked? If you've lost access to your account, noticed unauthorized changes, or suspect someone else is using it, don't panic. Instagram provides several recovery options that can help you regain control. In this guide, I'll show you how to recover a hacked Instagram account in 2026. First, check your email inbox for messages from Instagram. If a hacker changed your email address or account details, Instagram may have sent a security email with options to reverse those changes. Go to the Instagram login screen and select the option for forgotten passwords. Enter your username, email address, or phone number and follow the recovery instructions. If password recovery isn't working, request a login link through your registered email address or phone number. This may allow you to regain access without knowing the current password. If you can't access your email, phone number, or password, choose the option that says you need more help logging in. Instagram may ask you to verify your identity before restoring access. Instagram may request additional verification, such as confirming account information or recording a video selfie to verify that you're the account owner. Follow all instructions carefully and provide accurate information. Once you've regained access, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Also review your account information to make sure nothing has been altered. To help prevent future hacks, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code when someone tries to log in. Check your login activity and remove any devices or sessions you don't recognize. This helps ensure that unauthorized users no longer have access to your account, and that's how to recover a hacked Instagram account. By following Instagram's recovery process and securing your account afterward, you can usually regain access and protect your profile from future threats. So yeah, act quickly whenever you notice suspicious activity, because the sooner you respond, the easier recovery can be. Thanks for watching.